Madre Santa, man. Uy, man. Carepicha, man.
The plane suffered a failure of its hydraulic system, but luckily no one was injured. This plane taking off straight towards a landing plane. This helicopter struck the fence with its tail rotor. These guys in a Cessna 152 flying backwards due to strong winds.
Alright, so we're sitting up here at 9,500 in a Cessna 152, literally just hovering above the ground. We got West Lafayette off to our left, the Purdue University Airport.
I didn't know you got your helicopter license.
Yeah. What's it saying?
I had 9.
9 knots still?
Yeah, I think that we may be having 9 knots backwards. That's my suspicion.
Yeah, I wonder if, oh, wait. There we go, we got it.
Yeah, we're definitely going backwards now.
This PC-12 landing with an engine failure. This emergency slide was accidentally deployed on top of a truck. This is how planes pick up banners.
Got it.
This jet shooting flares. These Italian jets buzzing the tower.